Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start programming with Python for beginners, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. Visit the official Python website at python.org to download the latest version. Choose the version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer. During installation, check the box to add Python to your path. After installation, open your command prompt or terminal. Type Python version to verify that Python is installed correctly. Now, let's choose a code editor. Popular options include Visual Studio Code, Pycharm, and Jupyter Notebook. Download and install your preferred editor. Once installed, open your code editor. Create a new file and save it with a .py extension. Now, let's write your first Python program. Type the following line, print, hello, world. This simple line will display the text on your screen. To run your program, go back to your command prompt or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved your file. Type Python your filename.py and press enter. You should see hello, world, printed on your screen. Now, let's explore variables. In Python, you can create a variable by simply assigning a value. For example, type age equals 25. Now, you can print the variable by typing print age. Next, let's learn about data types. Python has various data types, including strings, integers, and lists. To create a string, use quotes, like name equals Alice. For integers, just write the number, like score equals 100. For a list, you can write something like numbers equals 1, 2, 3. Let's move on to control structures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.